The hottest week ever recorded. What does this mean for the planet? This is News Review from BBC Learning English. I'm Beth.
And I'm Phil. Make sure you watch to the end to learn the vocabulary you need to talk about this story.
And remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and try the quiz on our website. Now, the story.
Hotter weather has never been recorded. The UN says the first week of July had the highest average global temperature ever measured. This could have significant effects on the planet. Hurricanes, tropical cyclones, drought, and heavy rain could all become more likely as a result.
You've been looking at the headlines. What's the vocabulary?
We have just getting started, uncharted territory, and scorches.
This is News Review from BBC Learning English. Let's have a look at our first headline.
This is from The Hill. We're experiencing Earth's hottest weather in 120,000 years, and it's just getting started.
So the Earth is at the warmest it's been in 120,000 years. That's since before the last ice age. Now the expression we're looking at is just getting started. Phil, we've just got started with this programme. Is that what we're talking about here?
Well, when we use just getting started in this way, what we really mean is that there's a lot to come. And in the case of this story, it's all negative.
Yes, this article is saying that while the current high temperatures are bad news, they're only going to get worse. Much worse. In fact, they're just getting started.
Now, we can use this as well for positive things as well. So, for example, we've got a lot of things we can tell you about English, and we're just getting started.
Okay, let's look at that again. Let's have our next headline.
This is from The Guardian. Uncharted territory. UN declares first week of July world's hottest ever recorded.
Now we're going to look at the expression uncharted territory. That makes me think of pirates, explorers, the ocean.
Well, pirates, explorers in the ocean, anyone like that, they all use charts, which are like maps. So uncharted territory, that means it's not on any maps. It's a place that no one's been to before, or at least they haven't made a map of it yet.
And here it's a metaphor. So in terms of the weather, we are seeing things that we've never seen before. We're in uncharted territory. That means there's no maps or anything to tell us what to do next.
And we can use this to talk about anything that we haven't worked out how to deal with yet. So when we think about people using AI to cheat in exams, we're in uncharted territory.
That's right. Okay, let's look at that again. Next headline, please.
This is from Al Jazeera. Record-breaking heat scorches communities around the world.
Now, this headline is from an article that focuses on the impact of these high temperatures. The word we're looking at is scorch. That's all about heat, right?
Yes, it is. Now, for an example, I ironed a shirt this morning, but I left the iron on it for too long and it burnt a mark on the shirt. It's a scorch mark. If you scorch something, you burn the surface of something with extreme heat.
You're obviously not wearing that shirt then. Now, the headline is talking about the effect of extreme heat on people living in different places around the world. And it doesn't literally mean that the people are being burnt, but it is definitely having a negative impact on them.
Now, another metaphorical use of scorch is to criticise strongly. So people can be damaged by heat, or people can be scorched by criticism.
Well, I hope we don't get scorched in the comments in this episode of News Review. Okay, let's look at that again. We've had just getting started. There's more to come.
Uncharted territory, something not experienced before.
Scorches, damages with heat.
Now, if you want to learn more about last year's heat waves, which affected many parts of the world, click on this video.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.